Good morning everybody, James here, Bullets and Buttons, out here at the range again. And today I am shooting my M1867 carbine, model 1867 carbine, US Navy model. This one was originally made in 1871, 50-70 for the US Navy. Right here you can see the cartouche for the US Navy Inspector Frank C. Warner. And it also has the bottom extractor, does not have the left side extractor. This way we know it's a model 1867. These were originally in 50-70 for the US Navy, and when the US Navy was done with them, from what I've read, 200 of them were converted to 45-70 and sold to the South Carolina Militia. Right here is SC for South Carolina Militia. It has your saddle ring, not that I think they would have used it, and yeah, that's about it. That's all I know about it. It's got some stuff right here, GU backwards N 8, and then a 1B here on the stock. I can only assume that they are rack numbers of some type. I'm going to shoot 5 rounds of the old 398 grain. Like I said, I got plenty of them, so I might as well shoot them. We'll see what they do. And then I've got 5 405 grain 45-70 rounds as such. Again, I made these myself. They've got 60 grains of Paradex RS in them, so they're not going to be overpowered. They're going to be just perfect for this gun. So that being said, let's get to shooting. Okay, well, one last thing I want to add. I do have my cleaning rod with me. The last time I shot this, I fired 1 round and the spent casing got stuck in the chamber again. I've since polished up the chamber with 400 grit, and hopefully that does the trick. So that being said, let's see what happens. 398 grain. Here we go. That was nice. Came out. Brilliant. So the polishing worked. Has a very heavy trigger. All right, let's go look down range. Very nice. Oh, this looks promising. Ha! Oh, they're cartwheeling. However, look at that. Dead center. Woo! Look at that. There's a great side profile, that 398 grain bullet. Cartwheeling. So, there's another one right there. And there you can see it was tumbling, but it went dead center. That was nice. The other 2 rounds I got no impact, no idea, none whatsoever. So that's brilliant. All right. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's go shoot some 405 grain. See what happens now. Okay, let's shoot 405 grain. See what happens. I think polishing the chamber did the trick. Well, I tell you right now, that was an absolute pleasure to shoot. Let's go see how we did. Wow, looks like we got tumbling again. Interesting. Okay, that one was almost true. There's one right there that wasn't there before. That I don't know, but that was not there before. That, and that were there before. So I've got this, and we got that. To coin the phrase, inherently inaccurate. But still fun to shoot. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed that. Model 1867 US Navy carbine converted to 4570 for the South Carolina Militia. By far probably my most favorite gun so far of all that I've shot. I do have a couple more that will be coming out sometime in the future, but yeah, great gun, barrel's nice and warm here in wet and dreary northern Alabama. It's almost May, and the weather has not been late April like, if you know what I mean. So anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video. If you're a new subscriber, please consider subscribing, and obviously if you leave a comment, I will answer your comment. So from here in northern Alabama, wherever you are, be it metal detecting, relic hunting, bottle digging, or shooting firearms, happy hunting and good luck, and above all else, be safe. See you folks. Bye.